Jai Shri Gurudev. Advaya, the hackathon being hosted today, began as a spontaneous idea, a simple spark that grew into something remarkable. The event is now a reality, surrounded by vibrant energy and a sense of accomplishment. What was once just a thought has evolved into a full-fledged initiative that brings together creativity, innovation, and community spirit. The name Advaya, meaning second to none, was given by a director, principal, and all the HODs during a discussion. Finally, the day arrived, 11th April 2025. Started off with the registrations and the inaugural ceremony in the presence of our director, principal, conveners, HODs, and students. It was witnessed by 1,000+ participants. Then began the coding session. Our participants from various places in Karnataka included Bengaluru, Mysore, Ballari, Tumkur, Gadag, Mangalore, Mandya, Chikmagalur, Chikballapura, Belgavi, Dharwad, and Davangere. From places outside Karnataka like Tamil Nadu, Pune, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. With the first checkpoint at 5 p.m. on day 1, where the judges evaluated the progress of the teams. We had judges from well-known companies like Google, Nokia, Intel, Cisco, Accenture, Carl Zeiss, Alpha Hive, Carlon Global Solutions, Product AI. On 10th of March, during what was just another meeting, BGSCT came up with an idea of organizing Advaya 25, a 24 hours grand hackathon. No formal brief, no extended discussions, just a spark, and somehow that one line lit a fire in all of us. From that moment, everything moved fast. With less than a month in hand, we started building an entire event from the ground up. No templates to follow, no time to waste. Just a passionate team and a shared goal to make something meaningful, impactful, and exciting. And today, I can proudly say we did it. Advaya received 250+ registrations from participants across India, and over 67 colleges joined us for this journey. For a first-time event put together in record time, these numbers speak volumes. But more than the numbers, it's the effort, the unity, and the spirit behind it that truly makes this special. This was a team effort in every sense. Our teachers, director, students, and even our principal went out to promote Advaya, visiting colleges, speaking to students, spreading the word. We didn't let the weather, distance, or discomfort stop us. Be it the scorching sun or unexpected rains, we stood strong, united by a common purpose. Advaya became a platform where ideas came to life, where creativity met technology, and where young innovators got the space to challenge themselves. To keep up the enthusiasm among the participants, a wonderful and ice-breaking musical session was arranged during midnight.
I want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. My head, she dreams, the job. I see, I like.
The day 2 started off with breakfast, and the final checkpoint was at 10 a.m. Our Pujya Swamiji arrived, visited and interacted with the various teams and exchanged his words of knowledge, and his presence was indeed a blessing to all of us. The valedictory program began with a brief introduction of the event, and our principal offered a valuable walkthrough of the entire hackathon. Our director also addressed the gathering appreciating the participants for their time and efforts. The program was also graced by our Pujya Mahaswamiji, whose Ashirvachana gave us valuable insights into the world of technology and also appreciated the dedication and resilience of all the students who worked on providing solutions for the various societal problems. Our Honorable MLA of Mahalakshmi Layout, Gopalaya Sir, also graced the occasion and stressed on the importance of conducting many more technical events like these for the growth and development of the society, and also appreciated the talented young minds. Our judges were really thrilled and surprised with the ideas and innovative minds, and it was surely a bit of a task for them to decide the winners. Then it was time for the most awaited moment, the announcement of the winners. To begin with the healthcare track, the first place was bagged by Team Insert Cool Name, second place to Team Runtime Error, third place to Team Idly Lake. The next track, Boosting Culture and Tourism Through Tech. The first place was bagged by Team Yukti, second place to Team Tour Sages, and the third place to Team Dark Mode. The third track, Digital Solutions for Rural Education. The first place was bagged by Team Hollow Syntax, second place by Team Codesmiths, and the third place to Team Commit Crime. To my brilliant team, thank you for being the backbone of this event. You worked tirelessly, laughed, stressed, and celebrated together, and we couldn't have asked for a better people to do this with. To our director and principal, thank you for the one moment of belief, for giving us this responsibility and trusting that we could pull this off. Your support made all the difference. And to every participant, mentor, volunteer and supporter, thank you. You are what made Advaya possible. You turned our vision into a reality. Let this be a reminder to all of us. You don't always need months of planning or a perfect setup. Sometimes all it takes is an idea, a team that believes in it, and the courage to take the first step. This is not the end. This is just the beginning. Advaya isn't just a hackathon. It's a story, and each one of you is a part of it. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.